Wow, amazing. Here is many vehicles. What is this? This is crane. Very useful vehicle. Let's wash it in water. And going for a drive on field. Let's go. Hoo-hoo. Wow, amazing. What is this? This is taxi. Very useful. Let's wash it in water. Go for drive. Wow, amazing. What is this? This is tractor, Hindustan company, very old company. Wow. Let's wash it in water. And let's check its power on field. Let's go. Hoo-hoo. Oh, amazing. What is this? This is crane. Very useful. Let's wash it in water. I'm going for test on field. Let's go. Hoo-hoo. Wow, amazing. What is this? This is JCB, very powerful vehicle. Let's wash it in water. I'm going for test drive. Hoo-hoo. Wow. Wow, very mini tractor. What's company a tractor? HMT tractor. Wow, amazing. Let's wash it in water. And one for a drive on field. Wow, hoo-hoo. Hoo-hoo, what is this? This is oil trunk. In yellow color. Let's wash it in water. Wow, amazing. Let's go for a drive on road. Hoo-hoo. What is this? This is minivan. Wow, amazing. Let's wash it in water. I'm going for a drive on road. 4x4. Wow. Wow, very mini tractor. What's company a tractor? HMT tractor. Wow, amazing. Let's wash it in water. And one for a drive on field. Wow, hoo-hoo. Wow, amazing. What is this? This is mini pickup. Very amazing. Let's wash it in water. I'm now going for a drive on field. Hoo-hoo. Wow. Wow, what is this? This is concrete mixture. Very useful vehicle. Let's wash it in water. Hoo-hoo. Ow. Let's going for a drive on site. Wow, what is this? This is looks like army trunk. Wow, amazing. Let's wash it in water. And going for a drive on field. Let's go. Hoo-hoo.